Welcome back to NSA Shanvi Creation YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and like. Today topic is term symbol. This is very important topic for CSR, NET, GATE and SET exams. So carefully listen students. Definitely one question in CSR, NET, GATE and SET exam. What is mean term symbol? First, how to find what is the formula for the term symbol? Term symbol basic formula capital L 2s plus 1 j. It is a basic formula for term symbols. Here, what is mean S? What is mean L? What is mean J? S mean spin momentum or spin quantum number. L mean orbital angular momentum. What is mean J? Total angular momentum. Total angular momentum. How to find out the S values? If electron present in upward direction mean S value plus 1 by 2. We know. If electron present in downward direction mean minus 1 by 2. If both electron present in a particular orbital mean plus of minus of. Total value 0. So based on the electron arrangement, we can easily identify the spin momentum or spin quantum number. Now how to find out the L values? For example, p orbital is there. We know p orbital magnetic quantum number values are plus 1, 0, minus 1. If it is electron present in first orbital, so angular momentum value is the 1. If electron present in the last orbital, mean L value minus 1. If electron present in middle orbital, L value 0. So here also, based on the arrangement of electron in a particular orbital, based on the magnetic quantum number values, we can easily find out the L values. Next, how to find out the J values? For find outing the J values, two formulas is there. One is a L plus S, another one is a L minus S. Where it is used L plus S, where it is used L minus S. If electronic configuration equal to off field or greater than off field, we use the L plus S formula we are used for off field or greater than off field electronic configuration. If electronic configuration is less than off field, we are using L minus S formula. Now, based on these values, based on these formulas, we can find out the term symbols. For example, D1 electronic configuration. This is a D1 electronic configuration. Find out the term symbol. First you write the d orbitals. How many d orbitals? 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here one is more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know quantum numbers, magnetic quantum numbers values are plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. D1 electron configuration. If it is electron present in first orbitals. So first to find out in term symbol of D1 electronic configuration, first we find out the S values, then we find out the L value, then we find out the J value. What is the S value? Here only one electron is there. That electron present in upward direction. That's why plus 1 by 2. Here L value. L value mean this one electron occupying the first orbital. This orbital magnetic quantum number value 2. Next J value. It is a less than half field or more than half field. J D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10. The D6 to D10 is a more than half field. D5 is the equal to half field. Equal to half field or more than half field mean we are using L plus L formula. But here only D1 electron configuration is there. That's why we use the L minus S formula. So L value 2, S value 1 by 2. So finally 1.5, nothing but 3 by 2. So we get the J value, S value, L value 2. And one more important thing, if L value is the 0 mean S orbital, if L value is the 1 mean p orbital, if L value 2 mean d orbital. Actually orbitals are small letters, but in term symbols we are using the capital letters. So now we write the term symbol. What is the basic formula for term symbol? Capital L 2s plus 1 j. Capital L mean L value 2. L value 2 mean which symbol is there? Which orbital is there? D orbital. Capital D. And S value plus 1 by 2. 2 into plus 1 by 2. How much, Nana? Very good. 1 plus 1. 2. Next J value 3 by 2. It is the term symbol of D1 electronic configuration. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.